Hello. Today I'm going to show you where to find the technical data on your Audi A1 or S1 Sportback. There are more spots than one. You can find some information about your car, the vehicle identification data. For example, let's go to the front side of your car. There is a chassis number, for example. If you are looking there, there it is, the vehicle identification number. The VIN is a unique code including a serial number used by the automotive industry to identify individual motor vehicles, towed vehicles, motorcycles, scooters, and mopeds, as developed in ISO 3779 and ISO 4030. And there's the other spot. You can find the type plate is located on the right A pillar. Oh yeah, open the right door and you can see the type plate on the right side. But there is a more hidden place that is in your trunk. As you can see, this is a vehicle data sticker. And there are all informations. In my case, it's a little bit damaged. Sorry for this. But you can read on it the upper side, vehicle identification number, chassis number. The second thing is the vehicle type. Then the engine power. And of course, the gearbox type. This is located under the type area. And then at the third thing is the engine and gearbox code letters. That is motor, engine code, and transmission code. This is a third line. The fourth line is the paint number and the interior equipment number. That is, with the paint number, you can see what color your car contains. The fifth thing is the optional equipment codes. That means everything what is built in your vehicle is in a code way on this sticker. And this is big information for you if you will check that your car is right equipped as you like, or if you buy another car, you can check this, and if the identification numbers all are matches, that means in the front side of the car, then at the right door and on the trunk, and of course in your papers, then your vehicle is right. The sixth thing on the bottom side is the fuel consumption and the emissions, of course, and that is all what you need to get information about your car and the option things which are built in and what gearbox and what engine is built in, etc. So that is nice to have information because some vendor will not give you the right information about it. And there are more information available if you go inside the car electronic system. You can read your VIN with an OBD2 system. Here you can see only VIN setup, and of course you can read the vehicle identification number in your papers. There it is on the left side, VALTS 8 AGXBO19513 in my case. That means at the informations, this is about what is the brand of your car, then the country where it is built, etc. All things is get in this number here. The first three letters are the world manufacturer identifier. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 number is VDS, and 10 to 17 is VIS. And that means in the European Union, it is the first thing is the world manufacturer identification. And then it comes with the indication of the general characteristic of the vehicle. And the last letters are indicated that providers clearly identify of a particular vehicle. And North America, for example, here it is the first three things: the world manufacturer identification, then vehicle attributes, then the number 9 is check digit, number 10 is model year, number 11 is plant code, and the others are sequential numbers. North America is world manufacturer code, then vehicle attributes, check digit, model year, plant code, and manufacturer identifier. That means that it's 12 until 14, and at the end it says sequential number. Here you can see there are so much information in this long number with letters, etc. But this will help you to get that you have the right vehicle under your ass, of course. So that is a technical data inside of your Audi A1 or S1 Sportback. I hope that I've forgotten something. In many of the electricity on board, you can go to a function selector button, that is car, control button system, then car system, service and checks. And after this, you can see the chassis number. This is the same like the vehicle identification data. So that means in the front side of your car, there's information. At the right door, there's information. In the trunk is information. Inside of the OBD2 platform is information. And of course, in your computer system. And of course, in your papers. And if there's 5 or 6 spots are matches, you have the right, fully right vehicle with you. So that it is. I hope to see you again on my channel. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And see you next time again. Soon.